In this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple service that you can offer local businesses literally by the end of today and charge them anywhere between $397 to $497 per month for this one simple service. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to share with you how you can get a secret link to a free training that's going to show you how to go from selling these simple low-cost services and upsell higher ticket services so that you don't have to go and land 20 clients to make any real decent money. You know, these low ticket services are great for the foot in the door, but if that's the only thing you sell, well, you need 10, 15, 20 clients, and that could be a major headache. I am all about dealing with 3, 4, 5 clients that you deliver amazing services to and sell them packages. So that training I'll reveal at the end. And all you really need to do in order to get that link is comment down below and give me a like on this video, and then we'll send you that link. So stay until the end. But now let's talk exactly how we're going to do this. So we're going to be leveraging an AI tool within a software called GoHighLevel. And if software scares you, don't worry. You're going to see how easy this is. And then how do we take this tool but create a service with it? Because remember, local businesses, they don't buy tools. They don't want to deal with software. They don't want to log into it. They don't want to do anything. No matter what gurus tell you, it is very difficult and very stupid to sell a tool rather than a service. All right, so we're going to call this the AI Chat Widget. Now you're going to see how I'm going to convert it verbally so I can sell it as a service rather than just selling a one-off tool. And the Chat Widget is a customer service. And so we're going to use email and text via a chat widget to engage website visitors to that local business. And I'm going to walk you through this over my shoulder in about a few minutes. It has a very high perceived value. What businesses will love about it is it will reduce phone calls to that business. This reminds me of when we used to get phone calls all the time when I owned a sporting goods store for about 2 years. And the phone calls would be like, hey, are you guys open? Or, hey, where are you located again? And they just took up so much of our time where we had to hire W-2 employee, insurance, payroll taxes. At the time, I think it was like $30,000 or $35,000. But if we had this AI option, it would have saved us a customer service rep that we had sitting at a desk and that we had to pay health insurance to and workers' comp and all that good stuff, and then dealing with the headache of having an employee. And so this is going to have the opportunity to replace it for a local business. This also will reduce missed phone calls because sometimes, especially businesses, local mom and pop shops that maybe don't have a secretary, the business owner is the one that's answering the phone. And if they're dealing with customers in a store or they're out in the field, doing work like an electrician or a plumber or so many others, then they're not answering the call and it pisses consumers off. So this will increase the credibility because a consumer falls on the site, they see a chat widget, they ask a simple question, and we use AI to answer them. And we could plug in the ability to auto book appointments or estimates or contracts, whatever we could make this as sophisticated as we want with a few clicks of a button. And if they have an issue or they have a question of maybe they've worked with that local business before and they're wondering maybe, is my order ready or not ready or whatever it might be, well, we can help solve issues without owner having to be involved. This is a very high valued service. And so I want you to understand the value that most people don't always want, even consumers, to pick up the phone and have to call a business owner and wait for it to answer and only nobody answering, right? Speed is always the value to the consumer. Think of yourself when you want an answer, you want it as fast as humanly possible. And the client benefits, right? The local business would be the client. The reduction of unanswered phone calls is highly beneficial. I can attest to that. Where are you located? What are your hours of operation? Things like that. Increases positive customer experience with little effort on our part as the person or the business that is offering the service. You're going to see it's like literally no effort. Decreases negative connotations toward that business with missed calls. Like I mentioned earlier, missed calls pisses consumers off more than you can imagine. Keeps consumers on the website longer. So if I'm chatting and I'm on their website, guess what this does? This increases exposure by helping Google rank that website in Google. Why? one of Google's major algorithm components for ranking is time on website. So if I land on a client's website and I'm sitting on that website and I'm chatting along with an AI bot, and I'm there for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, guess what? Google sees that and they're like, wow, this must be a very well-established business. They know what they're doing and they will rank them higher. So let's do a complete walkthrough, A to Z, and I'm going to do it for my own business. And this video is sponsored by Agency and GoHighLevel Essentials, a private community that has tons of trainings on how you can start, launch, and actually succeed working with local businesses and not getting caught in the weeds and getting paralysis by analysis. Simply comment down below and I'll send you a private invite link to be able to get access to this private community that has everything you need when working with local businesses and how to profit, make a ton of money, and finally get some freedom in your life. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so this is where I'm going to set up this simple AI service so you guys can learn exactly how to do it yourself. What you're looking at here is, if you don't know this, this is my white labeled version of this amazing tool called GoHighLevel. The cool thing is GoHighLevel has given me the ability to share this with other people with a 30-day free trial. We're going to get into that and more is explained on that link at the end of this video, but I just want you to understand that this is the software we're talking about. Now, I'm running one of my businesses out of this software. And so what better way than to walk you through the setup? I've already set up this service and have offered it and sold it to my own agency clients. So I have to give you the example with my own business. Okay, so so what you really want to do is you just want to go down to settings and you're going to click this button that says Conversation AI. So you can have this off, right? You don't need to run it. You could turn it off, turn it on, whatever you want. Then it has suggestive, which is going to basically helps you within the chat widget answer the questions, or on autopilot, which will send messages automatically. So suggestive would be a human is interacting with the person on the website, and autopilot, which would be you're just letting the AI do all the work. And if you're wondering, like, how in the heck would they know how to answer, let's say if they're on an electrician's website or a plumber's website, I'll get to that in just a minute. The next step would be, well, if I get a message on my connected Facebook account that I connected here, I'll show you that in a minute. What about my Instagram account or SMS chat widget or essentially a live chat? I can do this for all of these channels. Now, if you're wondering like, oh, well, I don't get it. How is that possible? Under that same settings, you go to integrations and you'll see here that I'm going to have to blur these out, but this is my main connection, okay? So to Google. My main connection to Google, I can auto respond to messages on my Google business profile if somebody sends me a message. Down here, I can auto respond to my Facebook and Instagram DMs with this chat, this AI chat. I can auto respond to multiple different avenues. If somebody texts the phone number that I have, so if I go over to phone numbers, right? If somebody texts one of the phone numbers in my system, I can auto respond to that. For this video, let's just keep it simple and say we're only going to use the chat widget. So we're just going to do the chat widget, which will utilize SMS. Now, before we go into the bot trial, we're going to go down to the settings, advanced settings. So I'm going to call this local marketing vault. It'll pull, if I don't put anything here, it'll pull the default location name, but I'm just going to put that here, right? That's my coaching business. Autopilot mode, configure settings for the autopilot mode based on your business needs. So how long do you want it to wait? Well, I don't want it to wait 2 minutes. Let's say 30 seconds, okay? We'll do 30 seconds. How many messages do you want this bot to send before it basically stops? And so let's just keep 10. If we can't get a question answered in under 10 messages, then we need to teach the bot some more information. Okay, and then we're gonna just turn this off. We don't need to put the bot to sleep at all, not in this current example. All right, so now we're gonna save this. All right, so right now we're gonna be running this only on a chat widget. We need to train the bot. This is the URL that I am going to have it crawl and gather information. Now, I also have other links in here but I could add as many links as possible. So let me give you an example. So let's assume anytime electrical service is my client. Well, if I go to his website, you're simply just going to take this URL and you're going to plop it in there. And then it's going to crawl the entire website. So then it's going to gather all the information about their contact, who they are, their reviews, and everything that they have on here, okay? That's how it's going to learn how to answer certain questions. Now, I can manually add questions and answers based on what I know most people ask. So if I wanted to say, what are your hours of operation? Well, I can rely on the info on the URL, on the website, right? Or I could just make sure that I get all the questions and answers in here, okay? So you could have a little bit of setup, but I'm not going to do that here, okay? I think I've already run this here. Let me just get data just in case. So I'm going to let that crawl. Okay, so that pulled the data just from this website. Now, remember I talked about booking appointments and stuff like that. So you could pick a calendar and book appointments by sending links. So I can enable that. I'm not going to do that here. Support and general questions, right? I can enable or disable. I can edit the prompt. So who is the bot? The bot is my business name. And so they have tons of like templates and stuff. I just use what comes out of what this software gives me, okay? Let's ask general questions. Hello, what are your hours of operation? Now, I wanted to give you this example because on my website, I don't have hours of operation. So let's see what the bot, see? Again, we're just practicing this bot. So let's go to the training. What are your hours of operation? We are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If this is after hours, please call 9, whatever the phone number, right? Okay, I'm going to save that. What are your times you are open? Because I want to give it, I don't want to use the word hours of operation. I want to make sure the bot understands what it's asking. Hey, we're open from 9 a.m. to 5. If you need help outside these hours, please call the provided number, right? So I didn't provide a number. Okay, so we're testing it. Other things, who owns this company? Again, I'm just practicing with this bot to make sure. Local Market Vault is owned by James Bond and Jason McKinnon, operated under Visibility Cloud. That is all correct. It's pulling all of my information from the training here. So imagine an electrician, a plumber, so on and so forth. But now what we need to do is we need to get it on here. This is really what I wanted to show you. We need to get it here. So how do we get it there? I'm going to go back and go to sites, and then we're going to hit new, and we're going to do the live chat. Okay, so live chat is real-time two-way conversation within the chat widget. It's for teams that are 24/7, or what we have is conversation AI. Okay, and this is what the default of what it looks like. Hi there, have a question, text us here. We can change the style of this to match any, here, I'll change it to red. And then, we can change the icons. We can go through all this in what it looks like. Here's what the chat looks like here. We could change the title, so on and so forth. Then we could change the messaging if we want, but we're using AI. So we're just going to call this test. We're going to get the code. We're going to copy the code. I didn't mean to get too technical in here, but you can see it's like not that difficult, right? Go to funnels. I use a funnel for our site. Here's our brand site. And then we want to go to the main funnel settings. We don't want to go into the page because we want it to show up all over the place. And then this is an old widget, and we're just going to paste it in the body. And then we're going to hit save. Okay, so that is now saved. So let's go and visit it. There it is, down here. I'm going to click it. I have a question. Enter your question below, and we'll be right back with you. What times are you open? Now, I want you to think of this as the electrician site, and I'm a customer that came to the electrician site or restaurant or whatever, enter the niche. Give us a minute to assign you the best person to help you out. And remember, I have 30-second delay before they answer. We're open from 9 a.m. to 5. If you need help after hours, please call us. I don't think I have a phone number on our website. Otherwise, I would ask it, what is the phone number? Here, let's just try. What is the phone number? So it says our phone number isn't mentioned in the FAQ. If you need it, please check our website's contact section. Well, if it was here, we don't have a contact section. And again, this is why you have to train it. If I had to contact us, it would pull that information there. Who owns this business? By me and my business partner under our LLC. So you get the gist of it. And so I want, as amazing as this is a foot in the door service. Because I want you to think of, if you sold this for $397, maybe $297 a month, and you can get 5 clients. Yeah, I mean, listen, it's a good side hustle income. I mean, that's cool. It pays for maybe somebody's mortgage. That's amazing. And you shouldn't take that lightly. If you want to learn how to take this little tiny service and change the value from $297 a month to $1,297 a month, that's a whole different story. That's a whole different ballgame. That's $77,000 a year with just 5 clients. In order to get that, we would have to have not 10, 20, and you're still not as much money. No matter what the gurus tell you. And look, I get this is cool money, but you're going to have to deal with 20 clients. If you're excited about dealing with 20 clients, then you've never had 20 clients before. I can promise you that 5 clients at $1,297 is much better than 20 clients at $297. And local businesses, this is nothing for many local businesses. And so if you want to learn how you can package other services that they need and want and will help drive more business to them, make sure you comment down below, like this video, and I will send you a private link for free where I'll give you tons of trainings on how to do this. And it's going to be for free. I won't charge you a dime. Comment down below and I'll send you a link.